Can you give him a difference, Rabbi, between the oral law and the written law, for example?
Oh, well, I mean, oral laws are things developed by the court, and the written law is what literally appears in the five books of Moses. We believe that the roots of it comes from the Torah. That even though the way we
Or
interpret
how to
that,
keep Shabbat.
yeah,
We
okay,
wouldn't know how to keep Shabbat
yeah,
without the oral.
right. So God tells us to keep the Sabbath. He never tells us exactly how to keep it, but He says there's a death penalty for breaking it. So that leads us to believe that there must have been some consensus of do's and don'ts on how to keep the Sabbath, how to establish months. Nowhere in the Torah does it say that we look to the moon to establish a month. This was developed by the judges. Even the idea of kings being anointed, nowhere in the Torah does it say that we anoint kings. The whole notion of Mashiach is an anointed king. So we see this in the writings and in the prophets, but it doesn't appear in the Torah. So it means that the judges came up with this ruling, a fully man-made ruling that could be, I mean, full of mistakes. But even the rabbis say about themselves, they quote Exodus 23, where it says, "Don't follow the majority to do evil," which would lead you to believe that you should follow the majority to do good. So, being that there is no actual text in Jewish history that says that the court became corrupted, it seems that they may have had other problems instead of corruption, and that they were at least reliable. I mean, there aren't laws in the Talmud that says that you could, like, I don't know, unalive people on Tuesday and great people on Thursday, right? They're typically just ceremonial laws that other groups may dispute, but from a ceremonial fashion, not from an ethical fashion.
I also have a pretty niche question that is just okay. This is going to be kind of come out of left field compared to what we've been talking to.